morning student. Today we will continue our first chapter named Knowing Our Numbers. In our previous class we studied about the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Today we will study about the Roman system of numeration, which is very common in today's life. Students, this system is given by Roman and Roman people don't know about the value of 0. So this is the reason that they don't use place value chart in Roman system of numeration. Students, before doing this, I want to make a table on the board so that you will able to do it easily. Roman numbers, Indian numbers. We have 7 symbols for Roman numbers. I denotes 1, V denotes 5, X denotes 10, like this. L, C, D, M. I denotes 1, V denotes 5, X denotes 10 and your L denotes 50, C for 100 and D for 500 and M for 1000. Student, there is a way to learn this table. I think it is easy for you to learn. I 1, V for 5, X for 10. For this you can use the formula LCD. LCD TV. You can learn it from here. LCD, that is 50, 100, 500 and M for 1000. Nowadays we are using K also as a symbol of 1000. K also denotes 1000. Like if you will write 5K, it means you are talking about 5000. There is one more symbol. If you will write like this, if you will write like this, if you will make V bar denotes 5000. Simple V, if you are writing, it is for 5. If you are making a line, that is bar on V, it denotes your 5000. Students, it is very easy to write any number in Roman system, but for writing the number in Roman system, we have to follow some rule. If you will not follow the rule, then ambiguity will be there. So students, before doing Roman numeration, I will tell you some rules. First rule is that this table is very important. I have not to rub this. Roman number, Indian number, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and this is your 1000. Students, learn this table before doing Roman numeral. Okay? Students, rule number 1. No symbol will be repeated. More than 3 times. Students, like see here, example is here. If you will write I, it denotes 1. If you will write this and this, it means that if you are using the same symbol 2 times, it means that you have to add the value of that symbol as many times you are writing that number. Like I. This I denotes 1, this I again denotes 1 and it will give you 2. It will give you 2. Again, if I write like this, it will give you 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. But I can't repeat this symbol more than 3 according to our rule number 1. If I will write it like this, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 4. But it is totally wrong. Never do this. It is totally wrong. Never do this. If you want to write 4, I will tell you later how to write number 4. But now there is a doubt in your mind, ma'am, you are saying that all the symbols can be repeated 3 times. But bache, it is not for everyone. Here V can't be repeated. It will be written only once. Symbol V, L and D. Symbol V, L and D. The symbols which are denoting the numbers which are related to 5, they are written only once. They are written only once. You have not to repeat V. If you want to write 10, you have to use the symbol X. You can't say X is equals to VV. It is wrong. आप V को कभी रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. V, L and D. Keep it in your mind that you have not to repeat the numbers which have 5 with them. Like here 5, 50, 500. They have to be written only once. Understand? The symbol which can be repeated is I, X, C and M. Got it? Rule number 1, I think it is clear to you. Now we will do rule number 2. If any number, from here you can see any symbol, smaller symbol is written in the right of a greater symbol. Smaller symbol, or you can say smaller Roman numeral. Written in right, or you can say written in right or after right of a larger symbol, Roman symbol. Smaller Roman numeral written in the right of a larger Roman symbol. Then what you have to do? That time you have to add the value. Then add the value of smaller to larger. Smaller to larger, you have to add the value. Bache, for this I will give you example. Let me rub this part. Like here I told, whenever smaller symbol is written in the right of a larger symbol, that time you have to add the value of smaller symbol into the larger symbol. Like see, here V is larger than I. If you will write like this, VI. If you will write like this, what will you get? You will get 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. If you will write X, and then you are writing I like this, but you will get XI, that is 10 plus 1, it will give you 11. You have to keep these rules in your mind if you want to grab this topic. Okay, C, larger one, smaller one. It is following this number, so you have to add the values, or you can say smaller symbol value is written after the larger symbol, then you have to add the numbers. This is rule number 2. Now rule number 3 is same, but there is a small difference. A smaller one, rule number 3 says a smaller symbol is written in the left of the larger symbol. A smaller symbol is written in the left of the larger number. That time you have to subtract the value of smaller one from the larger one. See, if it is written like this, this is larger than I. If I write I here, if I write I in the left of larger symbol, that time you have to subtract the value of I from the larger one. That is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. If it is in the right, that time you have to add. If it is in the left, that time you have to subtract. Hope it is clear to you. Understand? Now, rule number 4. Now, rule number 4. What if number is written like this? What if number is written like this? This is the rule number 4. here I want to tell that this is larger one, then it is smaller, and then again larger. You can see when a smaller symbol is in between the two large symbols, that time what you have to do? Bache, you have to do nothing, just follow this. See, this is greater than I, this is also greater than I. Smaller symbol is in between the two large symbols. Smaller symbol is between the two large symbol. For this, what you have to do? You have to subtract the value of this smaller one just after this number. Okay, just after this symbol. Like you can say xiv is written here. What you have to do? You have to subtract the value of I from the symbol which is following this I, which is following this I. It means that you have to write 10 for x and 1, this is for 5. See, I said you have to subtract the value of I from this number which is following this. So here you have to write 5 minus 1. You have to write 5 minus 1 and you will get 10 plus 4 is, it gives you 14. It gives you 14. Understand? This is our rule number 4. After doing these rules, I want to tell you some concepts which you have to be keep in your mind. Bache, I can be subtracted from x and v only. There are rules. I can be subtracted. You have to write it in your notebook. Points to remember. Points to remember. I can be subtracted. I can be subtracted from v and x only. You can't subtract I from c or l or from d and m. Okay? I can be subtracted only from v and x. Second points to remember is x can be subtracted from x can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted. Third one is C can be subtracted from D and M only. Understand, bache? Now after this, I want to tell V, L and D. Fourth and one of the important one. V, L and D never get subtracted. Never get subtracted from any number. Boys, you have to learn this and it is very easy to learn. See, here I can be subtracted from V and X. See, it is your I. It can be subtracted from this and this. Now I am talking about V. V can't be subtracted. See, when we are going for X, X can be subtracted from L and C. X जो इसके बाद दो सिंबल है सिर्फ उन्हीं में से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा. सेम आई इन दो में से ही आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे जो इसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं. कीप इट इन योर माइंड. सेम एक्स जो इन दोनों को फॉलो कर रहा है, एक्स को जो दो फॉलो कर रहे हैं सिंबल, उन्हीं में से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सेम फॉर सी. सी भी इन दो में से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जा सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड? वन मोर थिंग, दैट इज पॉइंट फॉर वी, एल एंड डी. बच्चे सी, वी फॉर 5, L for 50 and D for 500. वो सारे सिंबल जिनके अंदर 5 आ जाता है वो कभी भी किसी में से भी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो सकते. सी, इफ यू विल राइट, if you will say ma'am tell me the value of this symbol, tell me the value of this symbol, I will say bachche this is wrong question, because according to the rules whatever I told you here, you can't write a number like this, as we can't be subtracted from any number, so it is totally wrong. If you will say ma'am what is the value of this D and X, it is again wrong, because you can't write it. Only X can be subtracted from L and C. So बच्चे keep all these points in your mind so that you are able to solve your exercise. Now after doing this we will do some examples. See बच्चे, if you want to write the number 97 in Roman numeral, if you want to write this 97 in Roman numeral, first of all write it in Indian system. 100 minus 3, it is like this. 100 minus 3, but we can't do it like this. One more way to solve this. How can you do this? You can write it 100 minus 10, you can do it, plus 7. Again it will give you 97. But why I am not writing it 100 minus 3? Because I can't subtract I from the C. I don't have any option to write like this. So we have to write the number like this so that we are able to solve it. Now see बच्चे, 100 minus 10 plus 7. For symbol 400 we have C. Symbol 400 is 100 minus 10 plus 7. 100 minus 10 plus 7. Or you can say what it is. It is बच्चे nothing. It is 90 plus 7, nothing else. Here you can see 100 minus 10. For symbol 400 it is C. You write. Now you want to subtract 10 from it. And what I said, when you are writing a smaller symbol before the larger symbol or in the left of the larger symbol, it means that you are doing subtraction. So C is here. If you will write X, the value of 10, in the left of this, it will denote your 90. Now you want to write 7. For this what you have to do? You have to do what? Here you have to do V, I. V for 5, and if you are writing the smaller symbol in the right of a larger symbol, it means that you are doing addition. So what you have? XC plus VII. Bachche, like this you have not to write. I just want to make you understand. That's why I am writing like this. You directly here I want to tell it is for 90 and it is for 7 and it become 97. You directly have to write it like VII. Got it bachche? Hope it is clear to you all. Now another example we will do on the basis of this. If I want to write 59, how we will write this 59? For this 59 you can write it is what? It is 50 plus 9. It is 50 plus 9 and we know symbol for 50 is our L. And symbol for our, I will write here, symbol for 50 is L, and for 9, what we do? Plus X for 10. If I write smaller symbol in the left, then it will become 9. This is symbol for 9. And I get the number like this. This is the answer for this. Understand? We are converting the Indian numbers into Roman system. Understand, bachche? Now after this, there is one more example. Example is 140. You want to write 140. You want to write 140 and 140 can be written how? You can write it 100 plus 40. You can write symbol for 100. It is C. Symbol for 100 it is C. And what about 40? If you will do LX, XL, that is L means 50. You want to for 50 minus 10 is equals to 40 bachche. We have symbol for 50, that is L. I want to subtract 10 and symbol for 10 is our X. So write it like this and this is become your CXL. This is your final answer. This CXL is your answer. You can write any number like this. If I will say the number is 574. One more example I want to do, but you have not to write it like this. For it is only for understanding, okay, so that you are able to understand the things easily. Now if number is 574, number is 574. How can I write it? I can write it how? It can be written as 500 plus 70 and plus 4. We have symbol for 500, that is our D. Symbol for 500 is D. For 70, we can write 50 plus 20. 70 can be written as how? 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20. So here it will become 50. L. 50 if I will write here, it is 60, it is 70. Understand? And this is for 5 and this becomes 4. So your symbol will become D, L, X, X, I, D. See बच्चे, it is really very easy to do. Now if what I will give you Roman system and you have to convert it into Indian system. I will do the examples. See here. Now you are converting from Indian to Roman. Now I will teach you how to convert Roman into Indian system. See, number is X, 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 I, V. X, 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 I, V. According to our rule number 4, this is example. According to our rule number 4, if there is a symbol, smaller symbol between two larger symbols, what we have to do? We have to subtract the value of smaller symbol just after the given symbol. See, what I want to say, I say कि जब आपको एक छोटा सिंबल जिसकी वैल्यू छोटी है वो दो बड़े सिंबल्स के बीच में दिया हो, उस टाइम आपको क्या करना है, जो छोटे सिंबल के बाद की बड़े वाली वैल्यू है उसमें से आपको छोटे सिंबल की वैल्यू माइनस कर देनी है. सी हियर, दिस एक्स फॉर 10, दिस इज फॉर 10 एंड दिस इज फॉर 10. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस? यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फ्रॉम दिस. इट बिकम्स 5 minus 1. What you have? 5 minus 1. It gives you 34. It gives you 34. Hope this concept is clear to you all. Now one more example we will do. LXV. LXV. I said according to rule number 2, what I told कि whenever a smaller symbol is following the larger symbol, that time you have to add the values of all the symbols. See here, L, X, V. X is following the larger symbol. Here V is following the larger symbol. It means that you have to add what? Value. You have to add the value of L, add the value of X and V. L for 50, X for 10 and V for 5. What you get? 65. Understand? बच्चे, last example we will do and then you will able to solve your exercise 1.3 which is given in your book, Lx minus x. The question is Lx minus XL. This example is based on your rule number 2 and 3. बच्चे, in rule number 2 what I said, जब आपका स्मॉलर सिंबल आपके लार्जर सिंबल के बाद लिखा जाता है तब वैल्यू ऐड होती है. लेकिन अगर आपका लार्जर सिंबल से पहले आप स्मॉलर सिंबल को लिखते हैं, इसका मतलब आपको क्या करना होता है, स्मॉलर सिंबल की वैल्यू लार्जर सिंबल में से माइनस करनी होती है. सी हेयर, L for 50, X फॉलो कर रहा है L को, छोटा सिंबल बड़े सिंबल के बाद लिखा जा रहा है, इसका मतलब आपको क्या करना है, एडिशन करना है. 50 plus 10. नाउ वैल्यू फॉर दिस, यहाँ क्या है, बड़े सिंबल के लेफ्ट में छोटा सिंबल लिखा गया है, बड़े सिंबल के लेफ्ट में छोटा सिंबल लिखा गया है. इट मीन्स डैट आपको छोटे सिंबल की वैल्यू बड़े सिंबल में से माइनस करनी है. L for 50, X for 10. It means that what you have to do, 50 minus 10 and what you get, 60 minus 40 and this gives you 20. Understand? Hope you understand all the concepts which I told you. Thanks for this.